today I worked in partnership with another business called Amazing Business Solutions, and we collaborated and worked actually looking at Facebook ads for people who really are not sure on how to actually get started with Facebook, starting from the basic beginning, how to actually start an actual Facebook ad.
I think it was very useful because obviously my journey is always a learning. Yeah? So even though I put on a program like this, I want to be a part of it as well, because I normally stick to my business page or my personal page, never go on the ad page, and this is just completely new to me, and I think it's fantastic. I see going forward that I will definitely use it more now. I get a bit more confident in actually able to navigate my way around.
Everyone was at different places in their journey, so some were at the beginning stages of not even having a Facebook page. Some people were a bit further along that they actually know how to set up ads and want to know how to do pixels. So it's really taking each person on their own little journeys, showing them that they can do it.
And also, like today, we think it's a useful networking tool. People come here for a reason. They want to learn, and while they're learning, they're also learning from other people as well. We see people was very engaged. People was asking a lot of questions, which is always a good sign that they're engaging and they want to learn, instead of just sitting back and just take it in.
We could start, we could change, we could look, give examples. I could show them on my laptop, I could go on their laptop. And knowing the difference between what a Facebook business page is and a Facebook profile, having a business page is really for when you do your Facebook ads, and it's for all business elements. So this is open for anybody who wants to get started with Facebook ads, really people who are at the beginning stage of their business and want to know how they can use Facebook marketing to get their business to the right clients out there.